4-month-old cub sets out to find a friend who's as lively as she is. Mom Nella's pups are 3 weeks old, with eyes now open. All the better for red-coated, restless Cooper to spot an exciting new playground. But this crybaby's cries summon Dad Mozart instead, whose own restless energy doesn't make for much of a peacekeeping mission. It takes gentle Mom Nella to balance out the parenting equation and bring a little order to the chaos. Leader Skittles. With the exception of Lola, who's trying to show everyone what they're supposed to be doing. Too bad none of her siblings are paying attention to her. But today might finally be Lola's chance to make a splash, as the pups head somewhere no cat wants to go. They're getting a water retrieval lesson in the nearby lake. And Mom Trinka is only too happy to demonstrate. Kitty shows off how a mini horse can sprint like a racehorse, which doesn't escape the attention of little runt Boris. So when Boris spots his chance to prove his own speed, he takes it. And once the little kitten is out in the big wide world, he can't wait to challenge Kitty to a race. Boris is so excited, he can't contain himself. But nose to nose, the little runt realizes he's more undersized than usual. He's inclined to run, but something about this big beast fascinates him, and he can't seem to pull himself away. That is, until Mom Rona joins the scene and lets her little runt know it's time for her smallest kitten to come home. And at 5 weeks, they finally got the chance. While Mom keeps watch from above, the boys don't think twice before running off to play.